Right, I guess we should get started with who's here. Be a small meeting today.
Um, yeah, I guess so. First item on the list is we Sage had an upgrade discussion in the CDM last week, in the Apex CDM last week. That's about adding upgrade stuff working from the orchestrator. Yep, just open question is how does this work for Rook? And I don't think it. I don't know. That's something we have to discuss with Sage, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just glancing through it, looks like there's a question about if the container image name changes, if that's sufficient for upgrade. And Rook does rely on a different image name or tag for the upgrade. Otherwise, the pod spec does not change. Kubernetes won't update the pod or restart it automatically unless there's a change in the pod spec.
So using latest just don't work. Makes sense.
Right. Yeah, so that was the main reason we don't use latest. Yep. Okay, so we'll talk about that more another time.
Yep.
Right.
I guess we have to wait until Sage is back.
All right, a couple things on the Rook side then. So first of all, the Ceph, well, I guess out of order in here. The Ceph volume inventory did merge last week. So, Miguel, that's all in. And if the dashboard wants to start relying on that, well, it's in master. It was not backported to 1.1. And I don't know, anything else around that, Juan Miguel, to discuss here? Good.
Sorry. No, nothing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yep. So it's in. The other item there then is the Rook client Python is a dependency. So we discussed that in the Rook community meeting last week, and I think like we discussed before that, how about if we go ahead and bring the tool into the Rook repo and have the Python client libraries committed as part of the Rook repo, and yeah, there was no pushback on that. It sounded okay from the community meeting perspective. So for your PR, Sebastian, do you want to just update that PR or open a new PR or?
Yeah, I guess I need to update the existing PR. I think it makes sense to just update it.
Update it. Yeah, that sounds good. I missed following up with you since Tuesday, but anyway.
Yeah, I was a bit busy.
And then I was traveling, so if you did call in for a Rook meeting, I wasn't there anyway.
No, I wasn't.
Okay. Great. So then I think, are any more comments around that one? I think we're on track there.
Yeah, I guess so.
And otherwise, I mean, next week is KubeCon, so I'll miss this meeting next week. We'll have a Ceph day next Monday. You won't be there, will you, Sebastian?
I won't be there, but Mike will be there.
Oh, okay.
Mike Latimer.
Sounds good. I think that's all I have.
Okay. Okay, from the SSH orchestrator perspective, really lots of stuff is happening right now. So Sage is really pushing in code, lots of code. We have lots of folks from SUSE joining the SSH orchestrator effort. Also lots of PRs all around the code about the SSH orchestrator. And yeah, I guess the big news is that there will most likely be no real development effort going on into the deep sea orchestrator. And yeah, we are focusing more on the SSH orchestrator right now.
Okay, interesting. So SSH and Rook are essentially the two orchestrators efforts being put into.
Yeah. What's about the Ansible orchestrator? There was some new guy from Red Hat that also wanted to look into Ansible right now, if I'm not mistaken. I think his name is Daniel.
I don't remember that.
Yeah.
Miguel, do you know?
Okay, might be wrong information.
Yeah, because Juan Miguel spent some time on that originally, and then it was put on hold.
Sorry, I was on mute.
There we go.
Yes,
yeah.
I was working on the Ansible orchestrator, and it was decided to stop with that in favor of the SSH orchestrator and to do efforts only in the SSH orchestrator for a lot of reasons, independent of my opinion. I think that it was an error, okay? But this is not important. Important is what is thinking most of the people, and probably what is thinking the more the more powerful people. So it's clear that what I have, what I understand, and my feeling about this is that we are only going to have two orchestrators, the SSH orchestrator and the Rook orchestrator, and this is all, okay? Yeah. From the other part, Daniel, maybe Daniel Pivonka. Okay,
Yeah.
He is in my team, but I don't know why this has been raised up, and I don't know why. Okay, I think that I don't know. I don't know because it's something that I think that it was clear for everybody. I think that before the summer, that the Ansible orchestrator was going to be completely stopped, and something that it was not going to be continued.
Okay.
So I don't know. I don't know what is the reason of this. I don't know.
Okay. Thanks for the info. I guess that's it regarding the SSH orchestrator.
Okay, anything else to bring up today? Like that might be it.
Yep. Okay.
Yep.
Then
okay.
See you tomorrow or on Wednesday or next week.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Talk to you later.